Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how you can invite your employees to Bitrix24. So, first of all, you just have to click on invite button. Then you can see how much users will be able to be invited in your Bitrix account as per your plan. In standard, you will get 50 users. In professional, you will get 100 users, and in the enterprise, you will get 250 users. So you just have to click on invite button. Once you have clicked on invite, you can see you can invite them through the link. Other options also available. You can invite them through their mail IDs. For example, you can put their mail ID and their first name and last name. After entering their first name and last name, you can directly click on invite button and they will get a link in their mail IDs from where they can accept it and enter in the Bitrix24. And sometimes it happens we wanted to invite in the bulk. So we are also having an option of to invite bulk emails. So you can enter the bulk emails over here whom you wanted to invite. For example, wow. This is how you can add multiple mail IDs whom you wanted to invite in Bitrix24. Then even you can also invite the departments whom in which department you wanted to invite the users. You just have to click on add button and you can choose the departments in which departments you wanted to invite them. You can click on accounts team, Bitrix team, marketing team, or any other team. You just have to choose it and you can directly invite it from there itself. Okay. Moreover, you can also create the profile by your own and give it to them so that you can show that it has been invited over here. Okay. At the last, we are also having an invite protection to for partner options. So sometimes it happens you need to invite your partner's account in your account so that they can start your implementation process and work in your Bitrix account so that you can work smoothly. So this is the complete process how you can invite users as well as partners in your Bitrix account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.